I'm thinking about building myself a daily report at this point. I think that's what I want to start with is like I want to build the daily report. I want to build a daily, a weekly, and a monthly report that I review with this manager every single week. And maybe I build a daily, weekly, monthly tech report that looks at tech efficiency, that looks at issues that we could relate to the tech. So I can have a dashboard for either, and then I can share relevant information. Because what I had found myself doing in the past is I'm like bouncing from report to report to report to show them the data that's relevant to them. Well, this gives me the opportunity to have the relevant data for the manager meeting. It gives me the data to say, okay, we're going to have a tech meeting. I could even build specific tech reports at some point, and then they can come in and I can have that meeting with them because we talk so much about one-on-ones on the show, how important it is to do a one-on-one. This gives you the tools to have that meeting and have it configured in a way that you don't have to question. So I think that's pretty powerful.
Can these be exported?
Yes, absolutely.